Okay, so man, basically what I want to talk about today is that we all go through some things in life, man. And you gonna be sometime on a swivel when you in the streets out here, you dig? So you gotta know how to play your hand to the fullest in this game. And you got to know where your position lies, you know. And that goes for business and whatever part of the game you may be in, or whatever level of life you may be on, you know. So I said all that to say this, that you the key. You have what it takes to make it through any struggle, through any battle. You got to be a warrior in the jungle. You got to be Neo of the Matrix. You got to take control of the things you already have. Utilize your gifts and talents you already have. Okay, they're coming through in the Skype. You know, I'm up here in the A today. You know, everything gravy, baby. You know what I'm saying? And even as I talk right now, man, I'm going through a little struggle, man. You know what I'm saying? But it's a small thing to a giant. You heard me? So, but in the meantime, between time, see, when you think people be holding their nuts on you, you giving that energy. When you think people be crossing you, you giving those thoughts energy. See, the thing is, when things not going your way, you got to learn how to say, okay, let me stop and pause. Don't let me get none of those negative thoughts that's coming into my atmosphere, any thought of mine. Let me learn how to block them out, because those thoughts become distractions. You know? So, just here today, man, to get out here in nature, feel the vibe, feel the breeze, feel the sun, get a breath of fresh air. You know what I'm saying? And that's what life all about. You got to be motivated. You got to be inspired. You got to be willing to wake up every day, and even if it's hard, putting your shoes on your feet, you got to do what you got to do. Because you got to begin with the end in mind. You got to begin with the end in mind. Because you the prize. You got to know what's your why. What's your why? Why you doing what you doing? What's your why? Because you already great, you just got to pull it out. You need to have more discipline. So start subtracting some of the habits. So this your boy, this your host, Arthur Chill Fetty. Just wanted to be with y'all today out here, man. Taking a little walk in nature on the trail. You dig, had to stop, do it there. Yeah, you know what I mean? So, hey, 2023, man, always get ready. It's springtime, a new beginning coming. You know what I mean? So, whatever in the past, your past, use whatever in your past as your power. Take that pain and turn it into power. That power can turn into profit, in abundance. So live a healthy and wealthy lifestyle, man. This your boy, this your host, Arthur Chill Fetty. Had to tap in with my friends. Like and subscribe. Tell a friend.